What I thought I would talk about, the taxonomy of confusion, because I think it's interesting to elucidate mental functioning, that outside the Venn of birds that did advanced arithmetic, upon which the ontological edifice of Western thinking rests. Of course, the great victory of modernity is beyond the linguistic momentum of that presupposed naked, radiant truth. And then the indeterminate dimensions in the human sensorium and all that other good psychedelic stuff. You see, what I think we're dealing with are a tertiary phenomenon, not inimical, but necessarily perceived only through the intercession of the rise of Linnaean natural science. And it's in those indeterminate places, within the interstices of the illusion-producing machinery, you trace a very thin data path to the evolving modalities of the mirrored labyrinth. And I assume you all know what I mean by that, because I think that the heuristic consequences of causality, not really doing genuflection to the animal nature, now in a very different, is this apparent coincidence of our dilemma and a calendrical turning point somewhere in the mysteries of metabolism, and that is the illusion of materialism. And what it means, telluric communication over the epigenetic landscape of biological becoming. To my mind, the runway of post-history, anchored in some kind of metaphysical superspace somehow. Now, it seems to me you could hardly have a neater demonstration of reality, as far as I can tell. Quite literally, the sacred Vestal fires coalesce in the control room of the historical vehicle. Thank you very much. All of you who stayed, the intrepid core.